Guys, let's do some question. Okay, first question is regarding you can see regarding the clavicle. All are correct except, okay, all are correct except it has no medullary cavity. Yes, this is correct. Okay, it is commonly fractured because that's one of the differences between clavicle and other long bones. It has no medullary cavity. Second, it is most easily fractured. Yes, which is correct. It's most easily fractured is correct. It's ossified in membrane. Yes, it has intramembranous ossification, unlike other long bone that has cartilaginous ossification. So it is correct. It is the first bone to ossify in fetal life. Yes, it ossified in the 5th week. It is correct. So it is an example of a short bone. It's not an example of a short bone. So this is very wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. It's not correct. Okay, so that's not correct, which is wrong. So let's go to the second one. The second one is the most common site of fracture of clavicle is okay. Now the most common fracture, the medial end, because I told you the most common fracture is the place where the medial end meets the lateral end. So is it the medial end? Sorry, medial end? No, it's not correct. It's not correct. Lateral end? No, it's not correct. So midpoint of the clavicle, is it the midpoint? Know that the medial part has medial 2/3, while the lateral part has lateral 1/3. So it cannot be they didn't share it equally, so it cannot be the midpoint. This is wrong. So the junction of the medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3, obviously, because I told you that is where the medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3 meet. So this is correct. So junction of lateral 2/3 and medial 1/3. No, this is wrong. Because it's always medial 2/3. Remember I told you it's always medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3. It can never be lateral 2/3. So that's that about it again. So let's go to the next one, which is what? The inferior surface of the clavicle give attachment to all the following except, you can see, that's why I say you need to know the muscle. It's very important. You need to know them offhand. So in this case you need to know it. Now the inferior surface of the clavicle give attachment to all these except the inferior surface give attachment to 3 important ligaments. Okay, which is what? Conoid ligament, this one is correct. It give attachment to trapezoid ligament. Now these two are at what? The lateral part, the inferior surface of the lateral part. Now costoclavicular ligament, this one is correct, which is also, these are medial part. Okay, these two is the lateral, these are medial. Pectoralis major muscle, okay, this one pectoralis major muscle is found in the anterior surface of what? The medial part. It's very important you know it. It's found at what? Anterior surface of what? The medial portion. Subclavian muscle, yes, the inferior surface, because it's the groove at the inferior surface. So this is correct. So this one is wrong. So that's another part of it. Okay, now let's down that one. Okay, these muscles are tied to the medial 2/3 of the clavicle except, do you see why I said you have to know that thing, which is very important? These are the questions, these are standard questions. So these muscles are tied to the medial 2/3 of the clavicle except, okay, you can see the reason why I said you have to know it. That's why you have to subscribe to Medic TV. We would always want to help you to know this thing. Okay, please subscribe and help my channel. So these muscles are attached to the medial 2/3 of the clavicle except, okay, stenomastoid muscle. Stenomastoid muscle, is it attached? Obviously, it's attached to what? Which aspect of it? Remember, it's attached to the superior surface, which is correct. Deltoid muscle, let's come back to this. Pectoralis major is attached to what? Anterior surface, is correct. Subclavius muscle at the inferior surface, at the groove, is correct. What of deltoid muscle is not correct? Where is it attached to? This is attached to the anterior border of what? The lateral aspect. So this is the answer. This one is not correct. Okay, so you can see how it's easy to answer this question if you really understand what you are doing. Okay, so okay, let's do another one more. Let's do one more. Okay, That's the last one. Now, regarding the articulation of clavicle, one is correct. Regarding the articulation of clavicle, one is correct. The medial end articulates with the manubrium by fibrous articulation. Now, I told you basically that the articulation of both the costoclavicular joint and the coracoclavicular joint, I said it's a synovial joint. It's a synovial joint. Okay, so all the articulation of the clavicle, one is correct. Okay, regarding the articulation of the clavicle, one is correct. So it is a synovial joint. So whenever you see fibrous or cartilaginous, that will be wrong anyway. So let's quickly do it. Which is, we're almost done. So let's quickly do it. Whenever you see fibrous clavicle, because both of the articulation are what? Synovial. So it cannot be what? Fibrous, no. Cartilaginous, no. So you have eliminated cartilaginous and fibrous. Anywhere you see cartilaginous and fibrous, no, it cannot be the answer. Fibrous, you can see this one too. Eliminate this one too. Cannot be the answer. So this one cannot be the answer. This one cannot be the answer. So now it's either now between C and D. So the medial end articulates with the body of a sternum by saddle synovial joint. Okay. The lateral end articulates with the acromion by what? Plain synovial joint. So now the medial end articulates with the body of the sternum by what? Saddle synovial joint. This is correct. This is correct. The lateral end articulates with the acromion process by plain synovial articulation. So this one, the answer will be between, is either articulation or this one articulates sternum by saddle synovial joint by plain synovial articulation. It cannot be plain synovial joint. Okay, the answer is what? Saddle synovial joint. So that's just it from me. Please make sure that you subscribe and press the like button. I'll be glad to have you again. I'm so excited to have you. Thank you so much for this class. I really appreciate you. Please make sure that you subscribe. Okay, remember this place, the reason why it's not plain synovial articulation, it's called what? If it has been plain synovial joint, it would have been correct because it's correct, but they wrote articulation, which is wrong. Here it's synovial joint, which is what? Correct. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay, this is the end of this class. Excited to have you. Okay, bye.